Hello there and welcome to my channel. I'm Marie. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful solid shell stitch. I really love to use this stitch, especially because it's so beautiful and also really easy and simple to make. And you can make some gorgeous baby blankets and a lot of other different projects out of this stitch. So let's just get started. For this project, I'm going to use this beautiful soft merino wool. It is Aran weight yarn. And for this yarn, I will need a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. I will need a darning needle to weave in the ends and some scissors to cut my yarn. To begin, I'm going to make a slip knot. So I'm going to form a loop, place my working yarn behind the loop, grab the yarn through the loop with my hook, and pull tight. And for this stitch pattern, I'm going to need a number of chains that is a multiple of 6 plus 2. So for this little swatch, I'm just going to chain 20. So I'm going to yarn over and pull through 20 times. And I'm going to be very careful not to make my chains too tight. To start the first row, I'm going to skip the first chain from the hook and make a single crochet into the second chain from the hook that you can see right here. So I will insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2. Next, I'm going to skip the next 2 chains and make 5 double crochet into the third chain here. So yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And again 4 more times into that same chain. Next, I'm going to skip the next 2 chains and make a single crochet here into the third chain. So again, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And again, skip the next 2 chains and make 5 double crochet into the next chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I'm just going to repeat this pattern all the way across the row. So I'm alternately going to skip 2 chains, make a single crochet, skip 2 chains, and make 5 double crochet. So skip 1, 2, and make a single crochet into the third stitch, and again skip 1, 2, and make 5 double crochet into that third chain. And now that I've reached the end of the row, I should have 3 chains left. So I'm going to skip the next 2 and just make a single crochet into the very last chain. And here is what my first row looks like. To start row 2, I'm going to chain 3 and turn my work. And the chain 3 will count as the first double crochet of the row. So next I'm going to make 2 more double crochet into this first stitch. So the 3 double crochet here actually counts as a half shell. So next I'm going to skip the next 2 stitches and make a single crochet here into the third stitch, which is also the top of the shell from the previous row. So just insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, I'm going to skip the next 2 stitches and make 5 double crochet into this single crochet here from the previous row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 double crochet. And again, I'm just going to repeat the pattern all the way across the row. So I will alternately skip 2 stitches and make a single crochet, and skip 2 stitches and make 5 double crochet. And again, skip 2 and single crochet. And here at the end of the row, I should have 3 stitches left. So I'm going to skip the next 2 stitches and make 3 double crochet into the very last stitch. So 1, 2, and 3. And the 3 double crochet here counts as a half shell. So to start row 3, I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work. And I'm going to make a single crochet here into the very first stitch. So insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Then I will skip the next 2 stitches and make 5 double crochet here into the next stitch. So into the single crochet here from the previous row. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 double crochet, then skip 2 stitches and make a single crochet into the top of the shell here. And I will just repeat the pattern all the way across the row. So alternately skip 2 stitches, make 5 double crochet, skip 2 stitches, make a single crochet. And here at the end of the row, I have 3 stitches left, including the chain 3 here. That counts as a stitch. So I'm going to skip the next 2 stitches and make a single crochet into the top of the chain 3. So insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And to start row 4, I'm going to chain 3. And turn my work. And row 4 is just going to be a repeat of row 2. So I will start with making 2 double crochet into the first stitch. Then skip 2 stitches and make a single crochet. Skip 2 stitches, make 5 double crochet into the single crochet here of the previous row. And I will just repeat the pattern all the way across the row. And again, at the end of the row, I will have 3 stitches left. So I'm going to skip the next 2 and make 3 double crochet into this very last stitch. And from here I can just go on and repeat the last 2 rows until I'm satisfied with the length of my work. So I will chain 1, turn my work, and repeat row 3. So single crochet into the first stitch, skip 2, and 5 double crochet, and repeat. So here at the end of the row, I will have 3 stitches left, including the chain 3 that counts as a stitch. So I will skip the next 2 stitches and make a single crochet into the top of the chain 3. And I'm ready to fasten off my yarn. So I'm going to cut, yarn over, and pull the yarn tail all the way through and tighten the knot. And I will weave in the yarn tails on the back side of my work. So I will just insert my needle into the stitches and weave it back one more time to secure the yarn. And we are now all done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it very useful. If you did, make sure to give the video a like and feel free to subscribe to my channel. It is totally free and you get lots of free content on this channel. So I hope to see you next time and have a great day. Goodbye.